Scores of Zimbabweans in the UK took to the streets on Friday, protesting the detention of Citizens Coalition for Change activists. Their message, enough is enough, and they're demanding action. The demonstrators delivered a powerful petition to UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, urging him to pressure President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government. Why now? Mnangagwa is set to chair the Southern African Development Community, a move protesters say legitimizes his allegedly fraudulent 2023 election win. Critics argue that SADC has turned a blind eye, ignoring the cries of those fighting for democracy in Zimbabwe. The protest wasn't just a spontaneous gathering, it was a coordinated effort by opposition parties and human rights groups in the diaspora. As the chants for justice echoed through the streets, the message was clear. Zimbabweans in the UK are united, and they're not backing down until change is seen. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.